question is counting.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So next one is the, oh, right. Yeah. The next one. Jennifer's father's one.
Which one was oh, yep, found
Just
it.
next this question.
Yep. Oh, this one I did not understand how to do.
Okay. When you saying you do not understand, Misha?
Yep.
Where you do not understand?
So I didn't understand. Okay, basically he has.
Okay, let's read it from the first sentence. Let's read them together. Because, technically, what you can see is this question, right?
Yeah.
What I can see is also this question.
Yeah.
Right? That's for all the students who join this test. We only see the information equally.
Yeah.
I didn't see anything magically hiding behind there, which you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then let's just try to read it. Let's figure it out. Okay. First sentence. Just let's read them together. Jennifer's father has divided his office drawer into 2 compartments.
2 compartments.
All right. So 1 compartment called stationery.
Yep.
Contains 6 pencils and 6 pens. So, Misha, anything you think you should underline from here?
2 compartments.
Yeah.
1 compartment is called stationery. 6
It's
pencils.
not important.
Okay. 6
right?
pencils and 6 pens are in it.
Exactly. That is the key information. I think at least even you didn't underline, you should put it in your mind. Okay, that's the key information.
Okay.
Right? I don't care what you call about that, but 6 pencils, 6 pen. Yeah, okay, sure. Another one?
Another compartment called knickknacks contains 6 paper clips and 6 paperweights. So I would underline 6 paper clips and 6 paperweights.
Okay. So basically we know 2 compartments. 1, 6 pencils, 6 pen. Another 6 paper clips, 6 paper weights.
Yeah.
Then later
he mixed all of
everything together.
Yeah.
Okay.
That means there's still 6 pens, 6 pencils, blah blah blah. But blah, now blah. They're all together.
Mixing everything together. Okay. Yeah. But Misha, do you think that we can represent the information from this text format into a table format, which means not necessarily means a table format, something that's more easily to be read?
I guess we could. I mean, there's 2 ways. We could either write it or draw it. So if you have your pens and pencils, you just do the abbreviations of all of them and put a number 6.
Yeah, that's exactly. Look, exactly. Right?
Okay, yeah.
Exactly.
Pen, pencil, paper clip.
PC and the PW.
PC
that's exactly what for you.
Yep.
Right? Okay. Now, I think probably the thing gonna be make you do not understand is the question.
Yes.
What is the differences? Hang on. When you just reaching here, what are you expecting you're gonna reading after? What is the difference? There should be at least 2 numbers there, right?
Yeah.
Then you find out the differences.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, that is a very reasonable expectation about what this question about.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's keep reading. Between, yes, okay, I know. I probably is right. Because they're gonna say between something and something.
I think I realized what I've done wrong.
Okay.
I have a strong feeling. Okay, between the minimum number of stationary items.
Jennifer's father's take.
Stationary items, Jennifer's father's mistake. From the separate drawers.
Yeah.
And the minimum number of the mixed drawers.
From mixed drawers.
To ensure he has at least 1 paperclip, paperweight, and 1 pen.
1 pen, 1 paperweight.
Yeah.
So basically, that's what he want to take out. 1 pen, 1 paperweight. He just want to asking us if I taking from the separate drawer, what is
Separate
the
drawer.
minimum numbers I need to take it out to ensure I have one pen, one paperweight? And what is the minimum number if I take from the mixed drawer about one pen and one paperweight? So now the thing is very clear now, Misha. Let's try the separate first. Let's try the mixed second to see what is the minimum number, and then we do the subtraction. Done.
Right. Okay. So for the minimum number of stationary items from the separate drawers,
Yeah.
so he wants one paperweight and one pen. And they're in two separate drawers.
Yeah.
So he needs like
For one pen, how many?
Seven.
Right. For one paperweight.
7.
Right. Right, because if you want to ensure you have one, you're gonna take 6 pencils out. The seventh one definitely will be pen. Same like the paperweight. So it's 14. Okay, you got a 50% right now.
Okay. Separate 14. And the one that's together, okay. So first we have to take all of the pencil and PC out. That's 12. And then we need 7 on top of that.
Yeah.
Because we need to take out either all the pens and then one paperweight or vice versa. So that means that's 19 for all. And then 19 minus 14 equals 5. Oh my gosh.
Got it?
Yeah.
Did you understand what's the thinking skew?
I think.
Thinking skew, another ability they were testing you is really, that's just, because, you know, sometimes when we just learn the mathematics, actually that knowledge, I am not going to say the knowledge is really hard to understand, but when you really want to using that knowledge, you will find that's the most difficult part, the tricky part, is that in our daily life, the questions we are dealing, nobody going to tell us to say, all right, Misha, if you want to solving this problem, that is what the knowledge you will use. That is how you do it. No, that is always the most challenging part. We need to find out, right? We need to find out what is the knowledges or the strategies we can use to solve this problem. So you know that now the thinking skill, the questions, they always like, they changing in a different formatting.
Yeah.
They're using a different wording. Yeah. They just want to testing you to see if you really have the ability to evaluate the information, to understand the information, and then to find the correct strategy and the knowledge to solve the problem.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Technically, for this question, before we explain it, you said you do not understand. But did you just realize from just the 5 minutes, I didn't tell you anything, right?
Yeah.
Everything is figured by yourself. I just say, let's read them together. The only thing I remind you is you just underline some key information you think is important. Then you just underline it. Right? I'm just give you a little bit here to say, okay, when you see the differences, then you're expecting that I need 2 numbers.
Yeah.
But everything technically is just break by you. So same thing. When you're sitting in the test tomorrow, when you see some questions after you reading it, you think, oh, really, I do not understand it. Just repeat the process we just do now.
Okay.
And analysis the sentences by sentences. Underline the key for information you think that, okay, that's probably I need.
Okay.
Then try to see if this work out. Okay?
Yeah.
If this can, good. If it still cannot, skip it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So